Just before we do the official questions from the press and media, this is a press conference with a difference. Obviously, you see the slogan, Together Stronger, coming from the badge, Gyda'n gilydd, Gorau chwarae, cyd chwarae. And we like to get involved with the fans, and the community have been really supportive of us during this qualifying campaign. So we thought it would be a good idea. We understand there's about 30,000 Welsh people coming over to Bordeaux, but there's massive support back home as well. We want to, someone like Gareth, to inspire the youngsters, obviously, and what better way than to link up with his former school, Gareth, at Whitchurch High School in Cardiff. I think we can go over there now. We'll take a couple of questions from two of the pupils, Dylan and Morgan. But first of all, we'll go over to your former head of PE, I think, is Gwyn Morris. Can you hear us, Gwyn? Good afternoon. Hope this works. Are you there, Gwyn?
Hi, Gareth.
Are you okay?
How are you?
I'm very well, Good luck on Saturday and for the rest of the tournament.
Thank you.
We have Dylan and Morgan there. I think they're going to ask a question each to Gareth. Who's going first?
I am.
You ask the question to Gareth then. Who are you? Are you Dylan or Morgan?
Yeah, it's Dylan.
Dylan, you ask first.
Right, we're all really excited for the game on Saturday, as is everyone across Wales. How much information are you getting on the feeling from back home?
Obviously we're all looking forward to it first and foremost, and the whole nation's looking forward to it. And the support we've had from everybody here and at home in Wales has been immense, and it really inspires us now to do even better. And we hope we can do the nation proud. I've
just realised I know Dylan. We were in Lanzarote together, weren't we, Dylan? I've just realised now. with your dad, Rhys. Okay, thanks, Dylan. Morgan, next.
Hi, Gareth. If you could have one former Welsh footballer out there alongside you in France, who would it be?
I'm not that old, so I don't know too many. Obviously, I've heard names in the past, but for me, I'd probably say Ryan Giggs. I think for me, he was my hero growing up, and an amazing player, and would have been amazing for him to play on an international stage like this as well. Okay, thanks,
Ryan. Thanks, Ryan. Thanks, Dylan, and thanks, Morgan, and thanks, Gwyn. Thanks, Gareth. It's a busy period for the two youngsters as they have exams as well, but of course Gareth has 3 big exams coming up in the next 10 days, so we'll move on to the questions from the press conference. Who wants to go first? Musical chairs.
I think my job's redundant anyway after that. I think I should retire. Gareth, you're live on Sky Sports News. Just from your perspective, what has been this experience been like? You know, you're probably used to high-profile events with your career at Real Madrid and at Tottenham before that. What has this experience been like coming into France, and just what does this experience mean for you?
It's been a bit surreal. I think, especially with Wales having been there so long. I think every time when a major championship went on, I was always at home watching on TV, and to actually be involved in it now is amazing. I think the thing for us, we want to take it all in and enjoy it. I think it's a new experience when we want to play good football, and it's just nice to be involved in everything for a change, and hopefully now we can do the nation proud.
I think 3 million people are crossing fingers and hoping you're wrapped in cotton wool. On the injury front, are you 100% fit? And maybe talk about some of the other injuries as well. Just maybe talk about Joe Ledley's recovery from an extraordinary story with his broken leg.
Yeah, no, I'm obviously 100% fit. Been training all week, so I'm fine. But Joe's been an incredible story. I think I remember when I first heard the news that he broke his leg, I was devastated. So I can't imagine what he was like. And to make a recovery like that in such a short period of time is an incredible achievement itself. So obviously an amazing job from him, and obviously I know Sean, the medical staff, has been working very hard with him as well. So it's an amazing job, and hopefully now he can be involved in a big part of what we have to look forward to, and obviously I think he'll make a good contribution as well.
Do stories like this help with the confidence, the camaraderie, just the general well-being, the fact that he is making such a good recovery? Does it help with every little bit that you need to go forward?
Yeah, it just shows what we're all about. I think we never give up, we never die, and we just keep going. And yeah, I think he's kind of shown the way to go, and we wanna just keep improving, keep playing well, keep performing together as a team, as a squad, as a nation, and give 100%, and that's all we can do.
Gareth, just on a more serious note, I'm sure you're well aware of the security surrounding Euro 2016. I think you're probably quite used to a lot of this. What's your experience of what it's been like so far? Do you feel the authorities are getting it right from your previous experiences for the Wales team?
Yeah, I think since we've been here, we've felt comfortable. We've had no problems. The French authorities have been amazing. Our own personal security have been amazing, and yeah, we haven't felt any problems at all. And yeah, for us, we want to concentrate on the football, and hopefully everything else around us gets sorted.
Rob?
Gareth, just one more on that. Jerome Boateng of Germany said his family are not going to games. Do you have fears for your friends and family at all?
You obviously have little fears. Obviously what went on in Paris was not very nice, and yeah, you obviously have things about your friends and family coming over, but yeah, it's one of those things you just have to kind of put to the back of your mind. You can't let these things stop your life, I guess, and just have to try and live as normal.
You've won 2 Champions League medals in the last 3 years. How will this experience compare with that, do you think?
Yeah, it'll be a different experience. Obviously, I've been playing for Wales now for 10 years, and it's been a massive goal of mine to get to a major championship, and obviously we've achieved that. But as I've said many times before, we don't want to come here just to make up the numbers. Yes, we've done something amazing that our country hasn't done in a long time, but yeah, now we want to do even better. So we're 100% concentrated on what we need to do. We're well prepared. We've been training well, training hard, and come game time, we'll be 100% focused and ready to give 100% as normal.
And I mean, you're used to it now, I suppose, but do you feel the weight of expectation on your shoulders?
No. For me, I want to go out and play football. I want to enjoy myself on the football pitch like you do when you're a kid. And the Welsh side here now, we all get on so well. We're all like brothers. We're all friends. We joke around. We play together. But when it comes down to serious business, we all fight for each other. But we have fun at the same time. So yeah. For us, we just want to come here and enjoy it, and I think when you enjoy your football, you play your best.
Last one for me. Do you expect the protection you need from referees during this tournament? Do you think referees will referee it maybe as they do in Spain rather than in other parts of Europe?
I don't really know what situation. Obviously, you'd like to think we get protection, but depends what referees. Some are different. So no, obviously. You hope they referee the game fairly. That's all we can ask for, really.
Gareth, there's a very famous photo of you in a Real Madrid shirt. Can I cast you back to that age and tell me what your expectations were of what you could achieve in a Wales shirt? Is this far beyond anything you could have imagined?
Obviously, I imagined qualifying. It was one of my dreams to do so. Obviously, to make dreams come true is not easy. So, no, I always wanted Wales when I was younger to be in a major championship, to be able to watch it with more interest, and obviously to be involved in it now is even better. And yeah, I always had that burning desire to get to a major championship, and to be here now, we just have to enjoy. We have to take it all in, enjoy everything, and give 100%, as I said.
Cast your mind back a bit. 2009, Azerbaijan, Baku, and John Toshak, you were injured. He named a big team of under-21s, a young team that won 1-0. There are 10 of you in this squad from then. It is a golden generation, isn't it?
For us, that's what people obviously mention, the golden generation, but for us, we just want to get on the football pitch and do as best we can. It's up to the media what they decide to call us. All we can do is go out there, work hard for each other on the pitch, and try to achieve things that we want to achieve. And as I said, come game day now, we'll all be trying to win every game that we go out to play.
There were 74 fans from Wales at that game. Tickets have been given to them by the Welsh FA. We believe 24,000 Welsh fans. You'll have the majority in that stadium on Saturday. This story's bigger than rugby in Wales at the moment. I mean, just imagine what it's going to be like there stepping out. What a moment is this for Wales, for football in Wales?
Yeah, it's a massive moment. We all know we have the best fans in the world. They follow us everywhere. No matter how bad or how well we're doing, they're always following us. And yeah, I think it's, as I said, it's an amazing achievement for us to be here. And obviously that is what it is, but also to inspire the youngsters back in Wales to play football so we can have a better national team in the future as well. It's not just about us now. It's about the whole process of from grassroots down, just to try and inspire more kids to play football. And if obviously we're getting bigger headlines and more fans, that's obviously good news for Welsh football.
To get an idea of the encounter you're going to face, the team are captained by Martin Skirtle. It's not going to be pretty, is it?
No, we know every game here there's going to be no easy game. There's going to be no let-ups, as I say. But yeah, we know every game's going to be very, very difficult. Everybody that's qualified is a very good team, and they've proved that. So yeah, but we'll go into each and every game looking to win the game, looking forward to it. We know we're a good team ourselves, and yeah, we're just going to go out try and enjoy. And as long as we give 100%, nobody can say anything.
Gareth, you touched on the fact that you feel like a band of brothers here in this Wales squad. Some outside the camp have suggested it's a one-man team. What would be your response to such claims?
It's never a one-man team. There's 11 men on the pitch for a start. So, no, for us it's a squad thing. We're together stronger. It's there for a reason. We don't just say it for no reason. And we all work hard as one unit. We defend as one, we attack as one. And yeah, when we lose the ball, we all fight back to get it. So yeah, it's obviously people write stories. They can write they can write what they want, but we all know that we work very hard on the training pitch every day, and come a match day we work even harder.
And you touched on the fact that this is, you know, a lifetime's goal for you and your fellow players. What would constitute a success in your eyes for Wales at Euro 2016?
I haven't really thought about that, to be honest. For us, I think for everybody here is to go home with no regrets. I think if we give 110% every game, you can't ask for any more, to be honest. I think obviously we would love to win the tournament. Realistically, it's very difficult, we know that, but if we go into each and every game looking to win, and we give 100%, you never know how far we can go. And but as I said, as long as we give 110%, we have no regrets. We have nothing left in the tank to give. That's all we can do, and hopefully that's enough to take us through as far as we can go.
Okay. Thank you. Just we'll have one last question, and thanks. Okay.
Gareth, just another question towards Slovakia. Just how Chris Coleman has said on numerous occasions, please forget about England, forget about Russia, it's Slovakia. Just how important is this first game for you, for your progression, for you to achieve the dreams that you've been talking about in this press conference? Just how important is this game, and what would constitute a good result against Slovakia?
Good result would be a win. We know that. For us, yeah, I think it's the same. It's a cliche always said, but we take each and every game as it comes. We can't be looking to England, to Russia. We need to really focus on now. This is where the points really, really matter. And if we can get a win off to a great start, fantastic. But the main thing is we don't lose. I think we're a very hard team to beat, and when we're working all together and very hard, and yeah, we just have to give it our all in this first game, full concentration on the Slovakia game, and then as soon as that's over, on to the next one.
Okay, thank you,
Gareth,
Phil. Thanks.
just a question, sorry.
One last question.
I have a question about one French player who cannot play the Euro, Karim Benzema. You know him well. What do you think about that? Do you think this is unfair for him?
I don't really know the ins and outs of everything, but obviously he's a world-class player. He's shown it year in, year out for Real Madrid and obviously the French national team. So, yeah, obviously disappointed he couldn't be in this tournament, but for reasons I don't know. But yeah, it's obviously a miss for the tournament, but I'm sure he'll come back more fresher next season for Real Madrid.
Okay, thank you, Diolch. Thanks to Morgan as well, and to Dylan at Wichita High, still listening patiently there. Thanks, lads. Thanks to the pupils. Thanks to you. Okay, thank you.